Hey guys, Model Monday Live, August 19th or August 20th my time. Warming up now for World Champs. Let's see how we go with this Model Monday Live replay challenge.
In 3, 2, 1, go. What is the mass of this part? You got some music to start getting pumped. So what is the mass of this part here?
Tier 3 part.
Part is in
Nice.
millimeters. We love millimeters here on this channel. It's a tier 3 part, so it's not the most difficult part. The material is plain carbon steel. The density is 7,800 kilograms per cubic meter. You would probably manufacture this part using sheet metal techniques, but for a part like this where there's only 2 bends, you could just as easily do it as a thin feature. So you don't have to use sheet metal tools for this model. You can just model it up using bosses and cuts. It's all good. What is the mass of this part in XXX grams? Figure it out, model it up, type it into the chat, and the first person to come up with the correct mass and type it into the chat will be declared the winner. You can see this part has symmetry. Always good to look for symmetry. And you can see the density and details of this part in the print. This is called keyhole clip. And this is a tier 3 part. Keyhole clip is a tier 3 part. Lagging like crazy on my.
Simple part. Nice and quick.
Alright guys, I hope that was enough time. Remember, grab a screen capture. Use your Windows snipping tool, snag it, or MW snap.
What else? 55.
Grab a screen capture so you can keep working. We're going to keep going on with today's presentation.
Okay.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Do some cuts. Cut.
Man, what a good weekend, guys. You
Cut.
guys had a good
Cut.
weekend. This is the time of year
Through all, and then 2 radiuses. And we're done.
And every year this is when we get together. Kind of like a family.
I forgot to show the chat.
For friends and
301.
Families, old friends.
301?
Literally since elementary.
1206 in the chat.
Second, third,
I missed a slot.
We all get
Shit.
together and kind of meet each other's families and hang out.
Let's get that one in there.
That's something that we do every year.
50 by 20. It's going to cost me.
Throughout all of those events, most of the events we try to do at least a little bit of music. Sometimes live music with guitars. Sometimes karaoke.
Radius 5.
The weather cooperated. We were actually able to.
And 14 from the bottom.
Which is an absolute blast because you can just be as loud as you want. And
I think that's right now.
There's no neighbors around to really complain. And so
We would say
a great time, a great formula.
278.
Very easy to do these
0.9. So 279 at 12:55 in the chat.
And a lot of times there's a company called Rockville.
12:55 in chat.
Speaker ships with 2 wireless microphones. So basically
And I reckon chat has frozen.
And then you just need YouTube.
So I'm going to refresh the video and try and get that up and running. Cool. All right.
Definitely a good time.
And just do that while you're here. Refresh.
Introducing Gemini in Gmail, Slides, and more. Powerful AI.
Skip.
Sometimes karaoke, and the weather cooperated. We were actually. Don't forget your challenge each week.
Oh, okay.
Formula for success. Back into the groove here, getting ready.
Cool. No. Not many speedrunners in today, so it was a quick one. We'll pause and wait to see the answers. Answer time.
Great to see you here again. Tayfun 280. I like it. Welcome, my friend. PCR Arduino 279. Bob Phelps 279. Sharor 279. Very nice. Jonathan coming in 290. Quest for Paul 279. LCR Brick 278. Tomas coming in 287. And Tactical Pickles coming in 276. Guys, the correct answer is 279
Sweet.
grams.
GG.
To Victor K. Well done, Victor
Victor's
K.
time was 14:05, so we were a minute ahead, but I think he was taking his time. Nice one. All right, we'll pause for the next one. All right, let's go. Number 2.
3, 2, 1, go. What is the mass of this part in XX.X kilograms? The tolerance is plus or minus 0.1 kilograms. This is a model that we are borrowing from a tournament a few years ago. We had a very similar model. I did go through and change some of the dimensions.
Sweet.
So you'll have to, if you happen to have that old model on your computer, you still have to redraw it to make sure you get the correct dimensions. Make sure if there's any new features that we've added, that you catch those new features. But this model here you can see is...
Yeah, I hadn't seen it before, so new for me.
This model is made out of the material, plain carbon steel, same materials last time. It's in millimeters, but the answer we're looking for is in kilograms. Victor K says flashbacks. He remembers this one. So this model is called 24-08-15 valve body, and this model is in plain carbon steel. Tier 5 model. These tier rankings are based on a number of different factors. The complexity of the model, how difficult I think it might be for you. Is it in inches? These are all things that could cause the tier level to go up. Tier 5 model. If you guys like the tier ranking, these different challenges, be sure to hit that like button.
What is it in the middle?
Those likes on this video get our ranking up in the algorithm. We got 46 people watching. We got 21 likes. Let's see what we can do about getting that to 46 likes so we can match the number of people watching to the like ratio. I know some of you are scrambling to get this model done, but just take a second. Hit that like button. Help us rank high as people are searching for 3D CAD speed modeling and 3D CAD esports. I think we have the keywords locked up on 3D CAD speed modeling. All right, guys. Just like last time, be sure to grab a screen capture
220
of this model. Grab a screen capture so that you can keep looking at it while we move on. And the next thing that we are going to do
and with 333.
Guys, the tournament is coming up. We're in tournament season. It's my favorite time of the year. Our finals are
25.
Friday, October 18th.
250.
The tournament's on Fridays now. The Friday night episode is going to be a little bit later in the day for the finals, but the rest of the day, the rest of the tournament is going to take place at
fillets.
East Coast. So we have our qualifiers. Our qualifiers
10.
Started on June 17th. And our
Just
qualifiers
one.
ran through until this past Friday, August 16th.
Okay.
So qualification is now closed. You no longer qualify for this tournament. So let's take a look at the results of that qualification
results.
process. We go here to tournaments.
Let's check it.
Register here and let's
A bit later.
Here. Guys, this is the 2024 World Championship. You can see that all of the times are now open. Registration is now closed. You can see all of the times here. If you're logged in, you can see all of those.
How'd I go?
You can see the links to all of the videos, and you can see here the results. So we've got our top 15 people here. Let's give a quick congratulations.
Well, I want to see.
People here in the chat right now. Great Nate, number 1, using Fusion 360. Mr. Alex in the chat today, number 2, using SolidWorks. Did 3 models. All 3 of these models here. All 3 of these models. Bang, bang, bang.
So we got 200.
Under 4 minutes. Incredible. Ex Machina, regular friend of the show, using a Libre. Nice.
155.
Ace. Logged in for a
10.
second to say hello. Using SolidWorks. 407. We got
Hold through.
Newcomer. Titanium here, using Inventor, like that.
So 90?
Chat, using Fusion 360, coming in 6th place, under 5 minutes. Anybody who did this under 5 minutes is absolutely
90.
Pedro Tavers, Brazil, 452, running Inventor. Ricardo Salado, old friend of the show,
180.
long-time tournament runner. Italy, 453 using SolidWorks. You can watch his videos here. K Customs from Greece using SolidWorks. Dom from the United States. He was in the top 4 last year.
25.
Finished in 534. Dom is number 10.
120.
The 10th seed. Chris Buerckner.
Hello.
Australia, friend of the show, was in the top 4 last year. Finished in 552 using SolidWorks. Very nice. Alvasano.
Might trim that off after.
55 using SolidWorks. Overfly from Switzerland using ZW3D. I like it. A new CAD system here.
And
Tayfun, previously from Australia, now rocking it from Turkey.
delete those.
Running a Libre. Very nice. Walrus Gumboot.
Got that. Cut this.
Friend of the show, friend of the chat, friend of the show, coming in 15th here, running SolidWorks.
How are we looking?
And rounding out the top 16, Mini Broccoli.
Just need some holes.
Canada, running SolidWorks. So congratulations to everyone who submitted a time on that leaderboard, and huge congratulations to our top
20.
16. Now, this is not the final official starting 16. Right now, it's
205 glider 2.
This is Tall Toby. You're going to reach out to everybody who finished in the top 16.
Vertical.
Here are your dates.
6.
Can you make it during these dates?
Cut
So
through all.
work is it's going to be.
I don't want to cut those.
Friday here.
Might just go
One of these Fridays.
20.
So August 30th. September 6th.
25.
September 13th. September 20th. It's going to be one of those Fridays, just one of them. In that batch at 1 p.m. East Coast, USA.
And mirror.
It's going to be one of these Fridays, one of these 2 Fridays here at 1 p.m.
And
East Coast.
if we're right here, I would check this first.
So that's going to be the. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not showing my screen. My bad. Try it again. The way this is going to work is going to be.
I think this is pretty close.
This is the round of 16. So
I
you
would.
show up for one of those. You don't
Is that
have to
80?
chat for all of them, but you only have to compete during one
Yeah.
of those.
I would give this an answer of kilograms.
And then one of these
39.7
PM, September 27th,
at 40.45 in the chat.
The semi-final and final match
7 kg at.
So we're going to reach out to all of those top 16 runners.
What do I say? 40, 45.
We're going to reach out to all of them and say, hey, can you make it during your time?
Sweet.
And,
39.7.
If we can't work something out, we try to work with all of the runners, but if we can't work something out, then we'll say, I'm sorry, we're going to have to move on to our alternates.
Cool.
Usually what we do is we
All right.
reach out to
Let's pause it there.
alternates at the same time.
Well,
So maybe we'll reach out to
I'm not 100% sure if I've got everything right here, but
one of our runners couldn't make it. Would you be able to make it? And then whoever emails us back first,
it's looking good.
is the person who ends up getting it. So be on the lookout for those emails. I know that might seem a little unfair, but we're under a time crunch here, so we're trying to get everything locked in so we can get the.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.
So we can start advertising for these epic matchups.
K
So
Customs.
the first match will probably be between Great Nate, the number 1 seed, and Mini Broccoli, the number 16 seed.
All right.
You see
Yeah,
this?
let's pause that and see if we got the answer right.
You know, tournament that has
All right, cheers.
qualifiers.
Answer time. Let's go.
A lot of great answers coming in here for this answer number 2. Let's see what the first answer was. The first answer that came in here was from none other than Victor K, trying to do a clean sweep. 39.6 kilograms, revised to 39.7 kilograms.
Yeah,
Custom,
very quick.
43.4 kilograms.
GG Victor.
1 kilograms. Tayfun, 39.7 kilograms. Sharor, 39.7 kilograms.
Thanks, Tayfun.
Mr. Alex,
What country are you representing?
K-Custom,
We'll check that out.
39.2 kilograms. Mr. Alex coming in, €5 super chat. Thank you so much, Mr. Alex. Very much appreciated. Thank you. Wow. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Definitely a great way to show support for the channel and to keep the doors open.
Turkey. Cool, man.
Let's see here. As Chris is got, because this is Tayfun responding to my comment about him being from Australia last year. He said, as Chris Buerckner is going to represent Australia, I decided to represent my home country this time. That's nice, man. That is awesome. That is so cool. All right. And Mr. Alex, we got him 39.7. K Customs 39.2. We're going to see K Customs in the tournament here. Rambros 39.7. Very nice. Bach 39.7. Matt 39.7. Jonathan 39.6. Too Tall Toby 628. 628 grams for that live solve. And guys, the correct answer is 39.7 kilograms with a tolerance of
Sweet.
plus or minus 0.1.
That's good.
So
First attempt. That's what we need for the tournament coming up. So
none other than Victor K. Clean.
awesome work.
GG to Victor K. Wow.
Thank you for the stream and challenges, Toby. Looking forward to seeing when I'm at. Yeah, hopefully I can make it. There's a 1 week I can't. You guys know about already. I'll drop my seating if needed. And yeah, let's compete. See you guys in the next one.